If the idea of owning your own hunting camp has been on your mind, this 39-acre Richland County property might be the place to start. There's already a 32 by 28 garage cabin shell with an insulated slab, in-floor heat tubing, plumbing stubbed for a kitchen and bathroom, and power nearby. What's left is finishing the interior the way you want. Now let's talk hunting potential. 6 acres are currently in row crops. The larger field sets up especially well for hunting west winds, with deer naturally filtering out of the timber into a secluded back cove. The rest of the property is classic driftless terrain. A main draw, along with several secondary fingers and ridges, creates natural travel routes and plenty of terrain diversity. Mature hardwoods mix with thicker pockets of younger timber, giving deer a variety of cover and browse, and roost trees for turkeys. If you'd like to see it in person or you have any questions, contact Luke or myself. We'd be happy to discuss or walk the property with you.